Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I will be guiding you through how to change your username on a GoodBudget account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video since the process is quite easy. So the first thing to do is to tap open your GoodBudget application from your app drawer. Also make sure to sign in to your account. Once signed in, tap on the More button at the bottom right. And from the More menu, tap on Manage Household. Select Manage All Preferences option from the list. Now you will find yourself inside the goodbudget.com website. Scroll down and then get to the Household Username or What Would You Like to Be Called tabs. You can now go ahead and change your username according to your need. Erase the current username and write down a new username you'd like to add. Once you are done typing down the usernames, you can scroll all the way down and tap on Save. And you have now successfully changed your username and your household name as well on GoodBudget. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back again soon with another tutorial episode. Thank you for watching.